2016 Buick Cascada. The Buick Cascada is extremely attractive from every angle. It is competitively priced. It drives quiet, comfortable, and comes with a lot of features. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, security system, heated steering wheel, compass, power windows, heated front seats, driver and front passenger heated seats, CD player, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.